Hey you guys, I hope you are having a great day. I'm sorry there was no video. I feel really awkward like coming on here because I'm so consistent 5 days a week. Normally you can count on there being a video, but life happened. Things went wrong with it. I could have stayed up really late and refilmed, and I've done that before in the past and not made a big deal about it because I'm like so hardcore with my 5 days a week. But this time around, I just took a breath and I was like, I'm not going to stress out. I'm on this path where I need to make more time for me. And that being said, there actually won't be a video on Saturday. I'm just going to continue next week, Monday through Friday, totally solid, but I'm actually going out of town. James surprised me. I'm so excited. My bags are packed and we're going to get away together and have a little husband, wife, couple, no family, just the two of us time. So I'm really excited, but I thought I would do like a little unboxing. I have some before I hit the road. There's not that much here. I actually dug into quite a bit of it, and then I was like, you know what? I want to snap some. So where shall we start? Actually, you know what I want to show you first? Look, this is super exciting because I'm taking this with me on my trip. Laura Lee sent me some of her merch. Oh my God. Oh dear Lord, what's wrong with me? I'm the clumsiest person you will ever meet. Anyway, this is my mood right now, for sure. But I'm so proud of her. Laura Lee Los Angeles. You guys go check it out. She has an Instagram up, and I love it. I also have a Queen t-shirt. Super, super cute. Congrats, Laura. You deserve all the success in the world, and I'm super proud of you. Got the box cutter all ready to go. Let's dive right in, head first into a little L'Oreal. L'Oreal sent over a giant box of face masks, which you guys know, I'm someone that masks probably more than you should. Like they say 2 to 3 times a week, and I'm like, how about a mask every day? Because I want perfect skin. I have tried some of these and they're pretty good. I haven't tried them all though. This looks good. 3 pure clays plus seaweed. Yes. This is interesting. Have you guys heard of Smolder Cosmetics? This definitely looks more like an indie brand, and these are a bunch of really pretty pigments. You guys, makeup never gets old to me. I don't know what my deal is. I still love everything shiny, pretty, colorful, and yeah, cool. Super cute. Kat Von D has the Shade and Light cream. I really like the original Shade and Light, so I'm gonna be giving this here a whirl. Let's look inside really quick. Holy smokes. Ofra sent over a package that is, this is just filled to the brim. I've never tried liners. Ofra's setting spray. What? All right, I'm excited to dig into here. Thank you so much, Ofra. Oh my God. Wow. I feel kind of bad that I'm opening this package late because on the 6th, it was National Friendship Day and this was supposed to be open before then. But how cute is Tarte? Come on. Like, seriously, popcorn, movies. They sent over a bottle of champagne and then a couple of really cute palettes. This is gorgeous. You guys, I got sent jewelry from a subscriber. Look, you can tell I like this kind of geode type stuff. Oh my God. This is beautiful. This is from a Magnolia Morning. This is handmade jewelry. Here's her Etsy shop. The sweetest note and some jewelry, and I love, love, love it. So thank you very, very much. I'm absolutely going to wear this. Let's see what else is in here. Cute. Oh my gosh, look how they're packaged too. Adorable. I love it. So this is interesting. This is from Ciate, and you are supposed to apply these, leave on for 2 minutes, press lips together, and pop. You have glitter lips. We'll see about that. Maybe I should test these. Let me know. weird. All right, so that's pretty. This is what it looks like in the tube. I have 3 shades here, and I definitely need to play around with it. You guys, Physicians Formula has a new collection, and I didn't even know about this. I normally know about this stuff. Oh my God. Look at how beautiful this is. Okay, I might need to do a video because you guys know I love me some Physicians Formula. Some of my favorite stuff at the drugstore. Let me know. Tweet me. Do we want this? I think we want this. Also, the last box I just opened up was from Japanese brushes and loose finishing powder. So thank you, Japanese. I have to quickly clean up this mess because we're leaving. We're hitting the road. And I'm so excited to get out of LA just for a couple of days and clear my